bulldozer. Your 25 D9.
Hey, D9, what you got?
Alright there, 53, look at that. Do a little dance, talk a little skip. Hey, 25, 53, do a little dance, talk a little skip. Get down to date, woo! 25, 53, I'm cruising, breaker, breaker.
Alright, then D9, man, you going with your dead self because, they'll come around you. Alright, take care, 25 D9, cause 25 D9. Take care, 25 10, Fly Trees Mobile, Big Island, Aloha.
Take care, 2553, you too there, bulldozer, 2510. Hey, 2510, says y'all have a good afternoon, evening time, 2510. As I work this party line now, just press the preamp in there, 20.
Just squeezing the key to let you know the video gate is rolling. The video gate is rolling. 06 Postman, bottom side Australia, video gate back on the mail.
Hey, 2510, you're both on the mall like taking turns, they're too full. As you're cruising that little car there, 2510, 53, you'd be right there side by side on the freeway there, son. That's how it sounds in this old 139 there, Mars Squad and 53. You both be side by side, next door, room to room, stereo stations. Mars Squad, 53, bulldozer, down under radio check right there.
Hey, bulldozer.
Well, that time, 2510, you gotta behave yourself there, man. Hey, 2510, take it easy there, man. You took a bit more control of my radio. 53 was dibbing and dabbing, but that time, I'd say about 85% of the time, it was a Mars Squad time there. Breaker, breaker.
And that's a breaker, breaker, Roger, right there. Can't mess with the little car. You cannot mess with the little full-fuel car. Aloha.
Well, I think you got under a bit of pressure there, 53, and then you just must have done something like magic tricks there, man. And you said you want to get back like that. Hey, 53, you can get it back like that. You can get it back like this, and you got it back like that. 25, 53, that was all yours that time. 25, 53 was your Aussie radio check. Come on.
Oh, D9, boy, there's a lot of audio. Oh, D9, 5 trees, says audio. Hey, D9, you got a whole lot of audio. D9, 5 trees, mobile. Honolulu, catch you later now. The mobile is gone.
Alright there, 25, 53 and 2510, I want to tell you how it went down. Hey, 2510 and 2550 went something like this. You were wanting to know how your audio was working there, 2553, but while you were doing that, 2510 was just taking little pieces of you there, man. Hey, while you were on that hammer there, 2553, 2510 was just taking little bits of this, bits of that, but at the end of that Roger Ride On session there, 2510 sort of snuck in as you got off that key. 2553, come on down.
Oh, D9. Hey, 25, D9. It's all good on my end. 5 trees, mobile, leaving them. Hey, D9. It's all good, man. 5 trees, mobile, Big Island, Aloha.
2510. Well, 2553, be on my drive at this current 10:36 there, man. I'll be nice to my neighbours. I'm trying to be polite and give everyone a turn. But you know how it is there, 2553. When you got it like that, you got to do it like that. 2553, bulldozer down under radio check. Breaker, breaker.
Oh, B9, I like it. Oh, B9, that's the name of the B9, girl. Oh, B9, check out your water gate.
That's all because the postman didn't key up now. A53 postman base station, 06 on my base station, wave and break.
Tree, your bulldozer, come on down.
Hey, B9. Hey, B9, you gotta use your neighbors sometimes as possible. Hey, B9, sound cheese, more nigga, keep looking the window. You're smoking. It's 25, 50 trees, more nigga, be in the living room. Bye, bye, bye.
A2553, look at postman. A2553, postman down under. 53, postman base station, checking in, break.
Microphone, they be licking their microphones like lollipops. 2553, 2510, bulldozer right there.
Hey, bulldozer. You tell us 2510 to 5 trees, waving your hands. I'm still trying now. I'm still trying. Hey, B9, I'm still trying. You tell us 2510 to 5 trees, waving the hand. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, I just made a little mistake on...
A53, A53, 06, postman waving a hand too now. 5306, postman base station waving.
Stay there and said 2510, but at this current time there, 53, you got my radio? Under control, 53, bulldozer, come on down.
Bye, 25 B9, hey, 25 B9. You going to have a nice day? 5 trees, mobile, got down, bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 2553, I can put you on an update on the situation.
A2553, A5306, postman. 53, postman base station, checking in, break.
Because he's got a 2553, bulldozer with an international condition checker right there, right now.
Hey, B9, you said you had a 21?
Hey, 2510, I'm a little boy. Hey, 2510, I'm giving the M400 a rest today. I'll be just on the Texas Star there, duck fucker. I took the M400 out of line and chucked the M400, the Texas Star in line there, Temple.
Oh, not the Texas Stars. Hey, B9. M400 and you're working that Texas Star, they'll break.
The M400 is not even in line there, duck fucker. I just got the little 500V there. I just thought I'd give everyone a chance. I'm being nice to my locals, being nice to my neighbours, because I'm a radio citizen. 2553, roll it down, come on.
All right, man. You said you got that 500 Texas Star going on there. Well, take care. 25 B9, you got that 500 Texas Star smoking on my receive there. And you tell hi to that M400 now. Hey, B9, you tell that M400 is 5 trees, just wave the hand. Bye, bye, bye.
And the M400's waiting.
A5306, postman. 53, postman checking in too now, come on.
But